Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss class 12 or 2nd PUC Physics Chapter 2, that is Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. From basic to advanced level, for board, JEE, KCET and NET. Only subscribed one can get PDF. Do support for more updates. So watch till end, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe the channel. In previous class, we studied up to potential due to a system of charges using superposition principle. That video link is given in description, don't miss it. Today, starts with Equipotential surface. Let's start. Equipotential surface. The surface with a constant value of potential at all points on the surface is called equipotential surface. Properties of equipotential surface. 1. Potential difference between 2 points on the equipotential surface is 0. Therefore no work is required to move a test charge on the equipotential surface. 2. Electric field is normal to the equipotential surface. 3. Two equipotential surfaces never intersect each other. 4. They are farther in the region of weak electric field. 5. Equipotential surfaces are closer in the region of strong electric field. Next. Shape of equipotential surfaces. 1. Equipotential surface for single charge is as shown. The equipotential surfaces are concentric spherical surfaces. 2. Equipotential surface for dipole. 3. Equipotential surface for two identical positive charges. 4. Equipotential surface for a uniform electric field. Next. Derive the relation between electric field and electric potential. Let A and B is equipotential surfaces. VA is equal to V is potential of A. VB is equal to V plus dV is potential of B. dl is perpendicular distance between A and B. E is electric field acting along A to B. E is equal to mod E is magnitude of electric field. Therefore, potential difference is equal to VA minus VB. Mark as equation 1. On substituting values of VA and VB, we get V minus V plus dV. On plus V and minus V get cancel, then potential difference is equal to minus dV. Mark as equation 2. Imagine unit positive charge, Q0 is equal to plus 1c, moves perpendicularly from B to A against field direction. Therefore, work done, W, is equal to potential difference. That is, W is equal to minus dV. But, W is equal to F into dl. Mark as equation 3. Where E is equal to F by Q0. Here, Q0 is equal to 1. Therefore, E is equal to F. Substitute this value in equation 3. We get W is equal to E into dl. Mark as equation 4. But W is equal to minus dV. On substituting in 4, we get minus dV is equal to E into dl. On equating, E is equal to minus dV by dl. This is the relation between field and potential. Note, for CET, NET. 1. The magnitude of electric field is equal to the negative potential gradient. 2. The direction of electric field is in the direction of decreasing potential. 3. Magnitude of field is the change in magnitude of potential per unit displacement normal to the equipotential surface at the point. Next, electric potential energy at a system of point charges. Potential energy at a system of point charges is the work done in bringing them from infinity to given positions. Next, expression for electric potential energy of a system of two charges. Imagine the charges Q1 and Q2 are at infinity. First, the charge Q1 is brought from infinity to the point A, and no work is done. This is because there is no electric field to oppose this charge. R is distance between A and B. Potential at B due to Q1 is V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R. Bring a point charge Q2 from infinity to point B, then potential is equal to work done by charge. That is, V1 is equal to W by Q2. On equating, W is equal to V1 into Q2. On substituting V1 value, we get W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R into Q2. But work done is stored as potential energy of system. W is equal to U. Therefore, U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R. This is the expression for potential energy of system of two charges. This ends today's topic. In the next video, we start with derivation for potential energy of system of three charges. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like the channel for more updates.